Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a Pong game. So let's make it. First things first, delete the scratch cat, make a new sprite, paint it. Costumes, we'll make a simple paddle. This. We'll go to stage first. We'll put in a nice black color background. That. This is not big enough. Too big. There you go. Then we'll call this player. Let's go to code. Find green flag glitch. We will broadcast start. When I receive start, we will put in a forever. We will go to mouse pointer. We'll set X to, let's say, -220. Let's do it. There you go. Now you'll make the ball. Makes perfect circle. Hold down shift while making it. So I'll call it ball code. When I receive start, we will go to X 0, 1, 0. We'll point in direction, pick random, -180 to 180. We'll put in forever. We will move 10 steps. Then if on edge, bounce. So let's see what happens. There you go. You can bounce, but it cannot bounce off the paddle. So let's make that. And here we'll put in an if. Touching color. White. We will point in direction. Put that in. Direction 180. Take away direction. Duplicate that. Put this right out here. So take a plus sign to direction plus 180. Let's try that. That's all. Wait, let's try again. And there you go. Can bounce. So now we'll make the AI. It's pretty simple. I'll duplicate this. We'll call this AI. Put this out. And here I'll put in set X. Put that away. Then here we'll point towards ball. And then we will move, like, pick random 6 to 10 steps, and then we will we will set rotation style here to don't rotate. So now we have, and then one more thing, we'll put this 220. So there you go. And we have a simple Pong game here. So now we'll make change the score. So let's go to variables. We'll make 2 variables. Call this one player. Or this one AI. And then we will put an if less than. If X position is less than, let's say, 290, 40. Get it right there. So X position is the negative 227. We will change AI by 1, and then we will broadcast start again. Then we'll duplicate this, we'll put that out, we'll take a more than sign, so X position is more than 227. We will change player by 1, so, and then we'll change this to large readout, both of them. So now we have a simple Pong game. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.